Hello everybody, welcome back to the Video Geek Squad channel. It's Marcellus here. Just wanted to wish you guys a happy new year and to let you know that the Video Geek Squad channel is back. This is one of these places where you've been able to come to find software reviews, Saas tutorials, AppSumo deals, and how-to tutorials. And I just wanted to let you guys know we are going to be coming back very strong in 2026 and making sure that we're giving you guys some of the best tutorials and the best reviews. Now, AppSumo has Last Call going on right now. Last Call is going to last you until January the 30th. They've got a couple of deals that I wanted to point out to you today. And of course, you do need to be an AppSumo Plus member, and you can find out all the details here about how to become an AppSumo Plus member. They've got a couple of products on here that I definitely want you to take a look, because I definitely think these are something that you can certainly use in your business, and it would make sense for you if you're using this in your business. The first thing that I want to talk to you about here is KW Hero. I personally have a membership. I have a license for KW Hero, and of course they've been making a lot of changes and updates on this, but this is going to help you with your content marketing. If you're somebody who's needing to do blog articles, or you're somebody who's needing to do, articles and write things for your business and create content, this is going to be something for you. It's perfect to optimize your content, okay? And I'll be making some more tutorials about that and putting that on the channel. Now, I do have to let you guys know, we started in 2025 what we call the Digital Learn Academy, and we've been in there sort of perfecting our processes and learning so much stuff so that we can bring people in and bring people along. Now, I have two different parts of my community. I have my regular community, and then I have something called the YouTube Roundtable. We meet once a week, and we have our office hours, and we're able to sort of go over the software tutorials, and I'm able to take you through all sorts of things. Now, one of the reasons why I wanted to do the last call right now is because this is one of these opportunities that may not come back. KW Hero was on AppSumo before, and they've sort of brought it back, but this is the last call, and it's going to be ending in about one day, about a day and a half from the time that you're going to see this particular video. So I definitely wanted you to grab this if you can. Now, they've got another product on here called Vadoo AI, which is an AI video generator. You can pretty much take text prompts and turn them into engaging videos or social media posts, and things for social media. So you can definitely take a look at that. That's one of those things that I thought would be, really beneficial for you. So the way that you start is just go over to the AppSumo Plus. You can add this to your cart, and then you're going to be able to get everything else that you purchase outside of that for going forward for a 10% discount. But you do have to be an AppSumo Plus member. So whether or not you want to purchase the AppSumo member Plus first and then come back, I think you can do that. So just make sure you purchase this first before you go to purchase all the rest of it, because you're going to get a discount if you do so. So that's kind of the best way to do it. And if you haven't gotten a 10% discount, or maybe you can't afford the AppSumo Plus membership right now, you can click on the link that's in the description below. I've got a link to a page where you can get 10% off your first purchase anyway. So whatever you purchase, you're going to get 10% of it off. So there'll be a link down in the description for that for you. But I definitely want to talk to you about KW Hero, because this is a product that I personally use. This is to sort of help you you can do your keyword research. You can start writing based upon your research, and you can use this product to help you find those keywords and things like that. So I definitely recommend KW Hero, and I'm going to definitely recommend that you start with the Tier 2 license, because the Tier 2 license is going to give you enough credits for you to do what you need to do, and then you'll be able to use it to, at its full advantage. But if you can't, you can of course start with a Tier 1. That'll get you what you need. But Tier number 2 is where I tell everybody to start, because you're going to get enough AI credits to do what it is that you need to do. And so they've only got a few hours left for this particular product, so you definitely want to take a look at it, and then that way you can make a determination about what it is that you want to do. But I definitely recommend everybody grabbing the Last Call, because you're going to get all sorts of really good items, and you're going to be able to take advantage of it. Okay. And so I just wanted to come on today to let you guys know We're going to be doing a lot more tutorials in 2026. 2026, and we sort of mastered some of the processes that we wanted to master. And I think that you guys are going to like some of the things that you see coming for us. Now, make sure that you hit the link down in the description below. And if you have any questions, you guys can most certainly hit the link for the Digital Learn Academy. We'll link that information down there for you as well. Come over and join us. It's a growing community. I'm excited, especially for 2026, because we're going to be really ramping things up. And so I look forward to seeing you guys inside of our community.